preventing and treating other common ailments of aging. If you want to know the truth, please listen to this. My name is Fatima from classicalhealing.com. We have covered a lot of ground over the course of this video, and hopefully you now recognize that aging doesn't have to be a prison sentence. You can retain your mobility. You can retain your mental prowess. And you don't have to suffer alone in silence. The key is to remain active, to fill yourself with the right nutrients, and to put your health first. And if you follow the advice in this video, then you should find that many of the issues we didn't get time to cover will also be dealt with. Staying mobile, for example, can help to prevent many forms of arthritis, while a highly nutritious diet should also help to prevent inflammation, further combating this problem. Cancer risk goes down as you fuel your body with more antioxidants and spend less time in direct sunlight without protection. Vision problems will be mitigated by many of the nutrients we have discussed. Two in particular, lutein and vitamin A, are great for fighting glaucoma and cataracts. In general, supporting your immune system and providing yourself with antioxidants will help you to combat a lot of the various forms of deterioration that lead to issues like vision problems and hearing trouble in the first place. Avoiding stress, believe it or not, will make you less likely to suffer with tinnitus, as well as being less likely to develop any manner of illness, because your immune system will be stronger and you'll sleep better. Oh, and if you are avoiding simple sugars and empty calories, this should also benefit your teeth. So too will getting more vitamin D, magnesium, and calcium. You can help this too by brushing regularly and not pressing too hard. And as with your hair, try to avoid very chemically toothpastes. Fluoride, found in most toothpastes, can actually be quite bad for our teeth and damage the enamel. Instead of using this, then, think about using something like. The key is not to take it easy on yourself, not to start doing less, and not to make excuses. Instead, if you want to stay healthy and young, then you need to act like it. It can seem like a lot of hard work at first if you are feeling tired and lethargic right now, but the key is to push through it and think of the rewards at the end. Meanwhile, try to introduce these changes slowly. Don't think you're going to change your entire lifestyle overnight. Instead, try to gradually eat a healthier diet. This will give you the energy levels that you need to perhaps start walking once a week a bit more vigorously. With time, you might build up the energy and the courage to go to a gym and speak to a personal trainer about learning to squat and deadlift. And perhaps you'll then have a bit more drive and motivation to take up a new activity or to inject some more passion into the bedroom. So don't let age defeat you. Just keep going and give yourself a purpose and a drive and work toward it. Support this mental state with the healthiest regimen and the right, nutritious diet, and you should find that you can fend off the worst effects of aging for much longer.